the best starting place for Swift at IBM is actually going to developer.ibm.com/Swift. And this is really the starting point for Swift at IBM. Here you can download the new IBM Cloud tool for Swift. You can have access to resources about Swift and Bluemix and the Sandbox and Katura and even the package catalog. And this will be a centralized place for other resources that you will get from IBM about Swift. So in this demo, I would like just to get to try my first application on the Sandbox. So I'll go try now and just open a message. I'll say okay. And as you can see, this is two side windows. On the left side, you have your Swift application, whatever you want to do, and on the right, you get the running application. So in my case, I will just load a sample code. And let's say there is one I like, which is Program Writer. So basically, it generates the program. It writes it to the file system, and then it executes it at the end. And my target here is to really test Swift on the Sandbox. So I'll first go to Settings, make sure I pick there is Linux x86 or Linux 1. So I'm trying to test Linux 1. And then you will have the different versions. So I'd like to try the latest one, which is from May 30th. And this is something that IBM will keep updating. So hopefully in the future you can see things updated in June, July, etc. So with that done, I can close the setting and let me run this application that's just pre-canned in Swift Sandbox and see what happens. So the application, as expected, it says, okay, this is the execution of hello world for the statement that says print hello world. Let me modify it a little bit. Let's say this is changing it. So I'll say hello world from Linux 1. And run it again, and it is updated. I'll try to see what kind of Linux system am I running here. And as you can see, as I'm writing, there's auto-completion in the Sandbox, which is very good. So I'll say uname/a, which is supposed to give me some information about the Linux version that's running on this system. As expected, I know this is a Linux. It gives me the kernel version, and it says the architecture is 390X and GNU Linux, and I have then the rest of my commands. So hopefully this is a quick application, very simple, but you can go ahead and create your own. Sandbox has auto-save automatically, so whatever I saved here, if I can come back again, it will be there. I can save my code to a specific place. I can share it with other people, and that allows me to load the code later. So I can have different code under my code. This is auto-save, for example. These are sample codes, and there are popular code that people can share and collaborate across the globe for using Swift. So hopefully you enjoyed this demo and you can upload your applications on the Sandbox. Thank you.